As with any product line that you begin to play with, you're going to have to learn that product line. And the only way to truly learn it is to get your hands dirty. So what I want you to do is I want you to build a portfolio of actual samples. Pictures are wonderful, but the real thing is money. So what I want you to do is go out, buy some Hardie Backerboard. It comes in 3x5 sheets. Cut it into small squares, whether they be 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot squares, and then resurface them using white or gray concrete and play with the chemical stains. Play with the dye washes. As you can see here, there's an endless opportunity to create color and texture using this product line. I want you to have a portfolio that you can go out and show a client and say, this is what I can offer to you. Now, when I work with clients, I like to take a copy of their floor plan, lay out all the design techniques and colors I plan on using, so the client can authorize the design and color schemes before we even begin the project. So at our initial design meeting at my studio in Benicia, the client chose this color for the background of the entire floor. What I'd like to do is recreate this on some sample boards. This sample is 1 ounce of pewter per 5 pounds of white pentimento. What Jose's doing is measuring out 5 pounds of pentimento so that we can recreate these samples here. We're going to have 4 alternate colors of pewter, ranging from low to high, to make sure that this is the proper background color for the floor. We're then going to use these boards to create our chemical stains of amber and chocolate on, so that the client can authorize the color prior to our installation. Once we've cut our Hardie Backerboard into our desired size, the next step is to prime the sample board with a liberal coat of CP1000. CP1000 primes the surface of an existing concrete floor and is also used as an admix for that micro topping. Once it's dry, we'll apply the second coat, and then it will be ready for the application of pentimento. In order to give your client a true, accurate mock-up, we will be building samples on our Hardie Backerboard using the same pentimento background, the chemical stains that will be used on the floor, and the decographic dye. I can't stress enough how important it is to make accurate, representative samples for your client, both so that you and your client are on the same page for the final end color and product. What we're doing here is building these samples with the exact formula, the exact methods that we will be using on their floor. So your client knows exactly what they're getting, and you and your guys know exactly how to install it. Now that the boards are complete, including wax, you have finished product to bring to your client and have them authorize at the design meeting prior to the installation of their floor.